Hi, I'm Pamela Wheelwright. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I wanted to share a story with you about my young nephew Kyle, who came to me and asked what digital transformation was, which I thought was, I had to chuckle because for a young kid to ask the question is funny, but also so many people have a different definition of what digital transformation is. But for young Kyle, I broke it down this way. Digital, I told him to think of a computer where you're generating information, sharing pictures or documents, and it's all stored within a computer. For transformation, I talked about a caterpillar that was becoming a butterfly and how it changed and grew and transformed. And Kyle initially looked at me and I got nothing but crickets. Then Kyle said, "Did anyone ask the caterpillar if it wanted to become a butterfly?" And I thought, this kid hit the nail on the head. I can't tell you how many times digital transformation fails or stalls because communication didn't happen at every level. And I ask you, have you talked to your people about your transformation? And how do you get the resistors to change to a yes?